Your Kia Seltos key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt coin cell battery. When the keyless entry, remote start, or alarm functions become unreliable, it's time for a battery replacement. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, costing about $2 to $5, and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Newer Kia models may have longer-lasting batteries due to firmware improvements for energy efficiency. Note that if a new battery doesn't solve the issue, moisture or worn buttons could be the cause and require professional inspection. First, locate the small notch on the key fob's edge. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the notch to pop open the case. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is up, plus. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Snap the key fob case back together, ensuring it's aligned. Test the fob by pressing the lock-unlock buttons near your vehicle. Dispose of the old battery at a recycling location. If you're having trouble, augmented reality apps offer guided DIY battery swaps.